Welcome, in front of me is a Nothing Phone 1, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So before you get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, SIM ejector, which comes provided with a device. So it's somewhere between the paperwork, you can get it from there. And you could also use a paper clip if you can't find this thing. Anyway, once you have one or the other, you want to pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone, right over here. Push the pin in, and as you will see, the tray just comes out ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it with your fingernails and pull it out. On the tray, you have space for two different SIM cards on either side. You can place it on this side and obviously on the other side as well. From there, pop it back into your phone and the card should start working immediately. Now I do have a SIM card pin on mine, so you should see this right now. And that's it. So that is how you can insert your SIM card. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.